Hello traders, and welcome to this beginner's Forex trading course, lesson number 1. So in this lesson, I'm going to answer 3 simple questions. What is Forex? What is Forex trading? And who are the players? So let's start with what is Forex then. Forex, short for foreign exchange, refers to the global decentralized marketplace where currencies are traded. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world with a daily trade volume of around 8 trillion US dollars. Now, the primary purpose of the Forex market is to facilitate the exchange of one currency for another, which is essential for international trade and investment. The global decentralized marketplace then is a place where people from all around the world can buy and sell things, but it doesn't have a single central authority or location control in it. So unlike the stock market, which has a physical address, it's an actual building with people inside it, and it has operating hours, so it opens at 8 AM and it closes at 5 PM. The Forex market doesn't have an address. Okay, it's a network of computers connected all around the world from banks, brokers, etc. And the Forex market is open 24 hours a day from Sunday night until Friday night. So let's look at the size of the Forex market. Now, most people have never heard of the Forex market, but you probably have heard of the stock market. So if we take 2 of the world's biggest stock markets, the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq, and we combine them, their daily trading volume is only around 200 to 300 billion US dollars, which is considerably smaller than the 8 trillion US dollars of the Forex market. So what then is Forex trading? Well, in simple terms, Forex trading is speculating on the future value of a currency in an attempt to make money. So if your prediction is right, you will make money, but if you're wrong, you might lose money. Let's look at an example of a Forex trade. Okay, so we're now looking at a chart of the Euro US dollar, and you'll notice that price isn't moving. That's because it's Saturday and the market is closed. So I'm using the TradingView replay tool just to show you an example of a typical trade. So for this example, we're going to do a buy trade. And if the market moves up, we're going to make some money. And if the market moves down, we're going to lose some money. So I'm just going to quickly press this button and we're going to forward the market to see what happened. And you can see now that the trade has gone into a profit. So this is an example of a profitable trade. Finally, who are the players? Well, in the Forex market, we have banks and financial institutions, and these are also market makers, which I won't cover in this video. Hedge funds and investment managers are much in the same category as banks in that they also trade to make themselves a profit. So not only do they trade for their clients, but they also trade for themselves. Next, we have central banks and governments. Now, these players control the Forex market to some degree. They control the supply of money. So they choose how much money to print and they write policies and rules that govern how money is used. Next, we have multinational corporations. So think of companies like Tesla, enormous companies that sell their products all around the world. Now, they get paid in a lot of different currencies, and they have to change those currencies back into US dollars in the case of Tesla because they're a US company. So if you multiply that by every single multinational corporation on earth, you begin to understand why the Forex market is so big. Then we have brokers and retail traders. So retail traders are people like you and me, and we can't access the banks directly. We need a broker. So brokers are the middlemen. Brokers have a relationship with the banks and they allow retail traders like us to trade the Forex market. Finally, we have retail customers. This is people who are traveling or going on holiday and they need to change their local currency into the currency of the country they're visiting. So that's it for this lesson. We've answered the 3 main questions. What is Forex? What is Forex trading? And who are the players? If you enjoyed this lesson, please give me a like and subscribe. In the next lesson, we're going to look at currency pairs.